Welcome to Business Analysis and Valuation. I'm Jeff Colton and I'm the lecturer in charge of ACCT 3610 this term. In this video, I'll explain how the course will run, how you'll be assessed, and where you will find course information and materials. In the Seminar 1 video, I'll give you more detail on the course content. So, if you've read the course outline and understand the course delivery and course assessment, you could jump straight to the Seminar 1 video. Each week, you will see a short video that provides an overview of the week's content. We will also provide you with lecture notes and additional readings in advance of the seminar. We'll indicate which chapter of the textbook the content relates to. We expect you to look at this material prior to your assigned seminar. We'll often give you some problems or exercises to complete before class. The preparation work will directly relate to the in-class exercises that you will do during your scheduled 3-hour seminar. Here's how we currently anticipate using the seminar time. We'll start off by a quick recap of the week's main content. Here we're guided by you. Once you've looked at the notes and the readings and textbook chapter, we really want you to tell us what parts of the course you felt least confident with, so we can focus on that during our interactive scheduled class time. We'll then do some applied or practical tasks that should help you better understand the week's content. Often, this will have a data analytics focus. One thing we really want you to get from the course is a greater capacity to analyse data. Your potential employers keep telling us that this is a key skill for graduating students, and financial statement analysis is an obvious course to learn and practice these skills. So we'll be looking at databases and pushing stuff about in Excel. Your instructor will go through some basics, and then you will go into breakout groups or breakout rooms to complete a task. We'll then reconvene and summarise what we have found. At some point during the seminar, you'll do a quick quiz that will test your knowledge of the week's content. More details on that in a second when I talk about assessment. After the scheduled seminars, we will upload any summary documents or spreadsheets for you. We'll regularly check with you on how effectively the scheduled seminar time is being used and make modifications as need be. The second thing I wanted to cover was course assessment. This is all available in the course outline, as well as the assessment section of the course Moodle page. Assessment will cover a few components: what you do before class, what you do in class, a major project with both individual and group components, and a final exam. I'll quickly go through each. Weekly quizzes are worth 15% of your grade. That will come from your best 5 quizzes over the term. Each week we'll give you a short quiz, usually relating to materials relating to current events. We'll often let you know which readings or resources the quiz is based on via Moodle the week before the quiz. You have to be in your enrolled seminar to qualify for these grades. What you do both before and in your seminar, that's face-to-face or online, is worth 10%. This involves asking sensible questions in our interactive sessions or providing helpful replies to the online discussion forums. It also involves making a genuine attempt at the in-class exercises we will be doing. You can see a marking rubric for this component on the course Moodle page. The major assignment will have you undertaking a complete fundamental analysis and valuation of an ASX listed company. We will help you form groups and allocate the company to you by the end of week 1. There are 3 components: an individual hand-in where you will summarise the company's strategy and corporate positioning within an industry. You'll also describe some of the key accounting issues and policies of your company. You'll submit this at the end of week 3. It's worth 5% of your overall grade. The second component is a group report that will build on your individual work and also incorporate some ratio analysis, forecasts of financial statements, an equity valuation, and finally an investment recommendation. This will be submitted at the end of week 9. The group report is worth 20% of your overall grade. We have already put on Moodle some examples of reports from previous semesters that have scored high grades for this report. Finally, instead of an in-person presentation, you'll be submitting a short group video summary of your project's findings. This will be uploaded in week 10 and will be worth 5% of your grade. We're looking forward to seeing how good your video skills are. We've put up some Google Sheets on Moodle that you can use to start to get to know the other students in your seminar time. This could help you determine potential group members. The final assessment component is the final exam. This will be a 2-hour online exam held during the formal exam period. We'll give you more information about the exam during the semester. It will involve some analysis of an actual company. On Moodle, you'll see the videos, lecture notes, readings, and Zoom session links for the online courses. The textbook is the third Asia Pacific edition of Business Analysis and Valuation by Palapu et al. It's in the bookshop, but you can also get chapters online through the library. See the Seminar 1 notes for details on how to find it. The publisher also has an ebook. Again, details in the Seminar 1 notes. It turns out that the University Library only has the second edition available. It will be fine to use the second edition. This is a course that's closely tied to business events, so we'll always try to incorporate current events into class. We'll refer to these in our weekly videos or incorporate them into the lecture notes or quizzes. To do well in this course, you should also be paying attention to current business events. This is especially so at the moment. A key part of this course involves forecasting. To recap, after watching this video, you should understand how the course will be delivered in both an online and face-to-face environment, how you'll be assessed in the course, and where to find relevant course information. We're looking forward to seeing you in person or online. We really want your regular feedback so that this course is as useful to you as it can possibly be. It's a course that we think is really practical, and we think it's a fun course to teach. There's a bit of strategy, a bit of accounting, a bit of finance, some valuation, and it's all tied together using real-world companies and examples. We hope you enjoy it.